This is Bronx Park East.
Welcome back to another video in my least used station series. For the second video, we will be taking a look at the least used station on the 2 line, Bronx Park East. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you haven't already. Let's get started. The Bronx Park East Station, located in the Van Ness section of the Bronx, is an elevated local station on the 2 and 5 lines. Below the station sits the intersection of Birchview Avenue and Sagamore Street. This station is the least used station on the 2 line with a ridership number of 769,303 according to the MTA's 2019 ridership metrics. I assume the station isn't used much due to the area around the station being pretty bare. It's more of a rundown area compared to last episode's station at 215th Street, and this area doesn't have much commercial space. This station can be reached by either taking the 2 and 5 trains to it or by taking the BX22 and BX39 buses. This station has 3 tracks and 2 side platforms and is served by all 2 trains and peak direction rush hour 5 trains. The middle track is not used in revenue service, however, at stations further south on the line, such as East 180th Street and various local stations, the middle track is used as a peak direction express track, with 5 trains using the track to run express all the way from 3rd Avenue 149th Street to East 180th Street. The station was first opened on March 3, 1917 under the IRT's dual contracts. It was part of the White Plains Road line extension north of West Farm Square to East 219th Street. This station is unique in that it and Pelham Parkway are the only 2 stations on the White Plains Road line to be built in decorative concrete structures. Now, you may remember me mentioning that the 5 train stops here only during rush hours, and you may be wondering why. The 5 train has its own terminus at Eastchester Dyer Avenue, further north in the Bronx. The 5 train disconnects from the 2 line at East 180th Street, 1 station south, and travels along the Dyer Avenue line to its terminus. For extra service during rush hours, some 5 trains travel up to Nereid Avenue. From this station, you can actually see 5 trains branching off of the 2 line and running up the Dyer Avenue line. Unfortunately, since I did get most of the footage of this station during off-peak hours, I wasn't able to gain any footage of the 5 train running up to Nereid Avenue. Two semi-major transport hubs exist at just 1 station from here. We have the East 180th Street station to the south, which is the last transfer point from the 2 train to the 5 train and vice versa, and the home of the East 180th Street Yard and Unionport Yard. And Pelham Parkway to the north, a transfer point between various bus lines and the 2 and 5 trains. The MTA renovated the station in 2007, adding a new design to the platform wind shelters and generally fixing the station up. That's it for this station in the least used station series. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more content like this on the channel, like the video and subscribe. Peace.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is East 180th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
The next stop is Junius Street.